Searching for some healthy Super Bowl recipes? Well, you're in the right place. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with our mouth-watering, guilt-free delights. These recipes are not only delicious but also nutritious. Stay tuned as we dive into a world of flavors, minus the guilt. First up, we have a tangy quinoa salad, a crowd pleaser that's packed full of nutrients. Start by cooking your quinoa. While that's simmering away, take the time to chop up your cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion. Once your quinoa is ready, toss it together with your vibrant veggies in a bowl. Now for the tangy part, whisk together olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and your favorite spices. Drizzle this dressing over your salad, give it a good mix, and pop it in the fridge. There you have it, a vibrant tangy salad to kickstart the Super Bowl festivities. Next, we're going to prepare some baked chicken wings, a Super Bowl classic with a healthy twist. Start with your chicken wings, give them a good rub with olive oil and your favorite spices. Think garlic, paprika, or even a dash of cayenne for a kick. Let them marinate, soaking up all those flavors. Preheat your oven and lay the wings out on a baking tray. Bake until they're golden and crispy. Serve hot straight from the oven. Serve these crispy, savory wings and watch them disappear in no time. Finally, we're making healthy nachos, a game day favorite without the usual calorie overload. Let's break it down. Start with a base of whole grain tortilla chips, then pile on black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and creamy avocado. Sprinkle a generous amount of low-fat cheese on top. Next, bake until the cheese is perfectly melted and golden. To finish, serve these mouth-watering nachos with a side of salsa. Now, this is a game day snack you can feel good about. And that's a wrap on our healthy Super Bowl recipe rundown. Remember, with our tangy quinoa salad, baked chicken wings, and healthy nachos, you can savor the game without compromising your health. So go ahead, enjoy these delicious recipes, and have a fantastic Super Bowl Sunday.